How to delete Viki account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to delete the Viki account, just go to the Viki application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you tap on the Viki application and you launch it, you'll be able to see the home page something like this. Now you can tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen as well. After that, scroll down and under the privacy section you can see the option of delete account. So if you want to delete it, you can tap on it, but if you want to just log out, you can see the option of log out as well. Now since we want to delete the account, tap on delete account. Then it says that deleting account will remove all your information and it's an irreversible process which they cannot revert even if we perform it by accident. So to delete the account, we just have to visit the account settings over here. For tapping on it, you just have to continue with Google if you want to create a new account again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.